welcome back. In this video, we're going to explore the comments feature. Now, comments, as the name suggests, are these comments that people leave on posts. Now, these days, comments may not be much used, but back in the day when social media wasn't really that big, this was actually quite a useful feature. Now, to access the comments feature, simply click on the comments option over here on the left sidebar and you'll be directed to the comments screen. Now, this screen lists all the comments made on your posts, grouped by their status and, other parameters. Now, each comment includes the commenter name with basic details like email ID and link or a URL that they might have left, the actual comment itself, the post name or in response to show where the comment was posted, like which post it was posted on, and the submission date and time. Now, you can take actions on comments individually by hovering over them or selecting multiple comments using the checkboxes over here on the left for bulk actions. This is pretty much quite uniform throughout WordPress across all features. And similar to previous features, you can also use the search engine on the top right to search for a specific comment using keywords. There's also a section in the settings part called discussion, which includes configuration settings related to the comment section. Again, I doubt you'll be using this feature much, so I won't really go deep into it. However, I'll put in some links for further reading in the description section in case you want to read more about it. And that's all about comments. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.